Hey guys, welcome to the KJ Methods YouTube channel. Okay, in this next section, we're going to just calculate interest. By now, you guys probably know how to do this already, so this is going to be pretty easy. Mary is purchasing a home for $345 with an 80% loan. The interest rate on the loan is 6%. How much interest? Now, when we're asking how much interest, we are going to use the interest rate. Remember, in the last section, we were doing principal and interest. We didn't need that because we use payment factor for that formula. But when we just want to know the amount of interest without the payment factor, you're just going to use the interest rate that is given. Well, do you want to pay interest on your down payment? No, you don't. So what is going to be step one? Calculate the loan amount, right? And I think you know how to do that. 345, 80% at the bottom. So your loan is going to be $276,000. That's what you want to pay interest on. And so now, is interest going to be less or more than the loan amount? It's going to be less than the entire loan amount, right? Because interest is what you pay monthly or yearly. It's going to be less than the loan amount. And so the loan amount then becomes the big number, right? And we put that at the bottom. So now we have the 276 here and 6% interest. And so we know annually you're going to be paying $16,560 in interest. The only thing about these problems that you have to be careful about is to make sure that you know what they're asking you. Are they asking you for a year? Are they asking you for a month? Are they asking you for 6 months? Whatever it is, because that top number you need to remember is giving you interest for the year, All right. Next one, calculating just interest. Mary's purchasing a home for $400 with a $320,000 loan. Oh, great. They gave us the loan amount already. That means we don't have to figure it out. The interest rate is 7%. How much is she going to pay monthly and daily? You always use 360 days when calculating interest unless you're told otherwise. And that should be daily interest, all right? 360 days, daily interest. Well, let's look here. We are already given the loan amount, so we don't need the first triangle that we needed the first time. And so now we can just say, right, this is what we mean, this particular triangle. We don't need that. It's irrelevant for this problem. Why? Because they already gave us the loan amount. We don't care what the LTV is for this problem. We don't have to calculate that. We already got the loan amount. So the number that's important to us is that number that they already gave us. So we take that and then we just continue. We move the loan amount to the bottom, just like we did on the last one. And then we multiply it by the rate, 7%. And what is that top going to give us? Annual interest. Annual interest. What do we have to do to make that monthly? Go ahead and divide it by 12, and so it's $18.66 a month. And how about per day? That would be divided by 360, so it's $62.22 per day. Interest is pretty easy, I think, at this point for you because you've been through a number of problems already.
Jumpstart your real estate career with KJ Method. Pass the exam with flying colors, only with KJ Method.